Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of SEA Saraswati English Academy. This is our class 8 subject maths and exercise number 2.6. Question number first of exercise number 2.6 is actually there are 4-5 questions and the instructions is solve the following questions. Okay. So our first one is 8x minus 3 upon 3x equals to 2 upon 1, and our second one is what? We will see our second one is our second one is 9 upon 9x upon 7 minus 6x equals to 15. Okay. And our third one is what? Our third one is z upon z plus 15 equals to 4 upon 9. And our fourth one is, this was our third one, and our fourth one is what? Our fourth one is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y equals to minus 2 upon 5. And our fifth one is 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2. This is equals to minus 4 upon 3. And okay, this is our question number 5th. Now and this instruction is for all 5 questions. Okay. So now we will start doing these sums from question number first. The very first question is what? The very first question is 8x minus 3. Okay, 8x minus 3 upon 3x equals to 2 upon 1. So here now we will cross multiply. Actually, whenever the sum is like this, the LHS is a fraction and RHS is also a fraction, then we have to cross multiply. So first we have to solve this leg, after that we have to solve this leg. Okay. So 8x minus 3 will be multiplied by 1, and this is equals to 3x will be multiplied by 2. Okay. So this is 8x minus 3, which is equals to 3 to the 6x. Now we will go for, this is 8x and minus, we will subtract 6x from 8x, we will transfer this one this side. This is 8x minus 6x and this is equals to 3. Okay. Now what we will get is 8x minus 6x is 2x. This is equals to 2x equals to 3. Now x is 3 upon 2. Here our x is 3 upon 2. X equals to 3 upon 2. Okay. So 8x minus 3 equals to 6x. 8x minus 6x equals to 3. Hence 8x minus 6x is 2x. 2x equals to 3. X equals to 3 upon 2. Okay. So our x is what? X equals to 3 upon 2. Now we will go for question number second, which is what? We will cross multiply again, and what we will get is 9x is multiplied with 1. We will get 9x into 1 is 9x. Okay. And 7 minus 6x multiplied with 15. So this is equals to 15 multiplied with 7 minus 6x. Okay. Now what we will get is 9x equals to 15 multiplied with 7. 15 7 ja 7 5 ja 35, 5 3 carry, 7 ja 7, 7 and 3 is 10. Okay, this is 105 minus 15 6 ja 90, this is 90x. Okay. Now what we will do is 90x should be transferred to our LHS, and what we will get is 9x plus 90x equals to 105. Okay. So this is what? 99x equals to 105. Now 99x equals to 105 and rx equals to 105 upon 99. So we will divide by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are again 9. Now 3 3s are 9 and this is 15, 3 5s are 15. This is equals to 35 upon 33. So in our question number first, Rx is 3 upon 2. In our question number second, Rx is 35 upon 33. In our question number first, Rx is 3 upon 2. In our question number second, Rx is 35 upon 33. Okay. And in our question number third, we will cross multiply again. This is z is multiplied with 9. So this is equals to 9z, which is equals to 4 multiplied with z plus 15. So what we will get is, this is 9z equals to 4z plus 15, 4 is 60. Okay, now what we will do is, we will subtract 4z from 9z, which is equals to 60. 9z minus 4z is 5z. 5z equals to 60, hence our z equals to 60 upon 5. So this is equals to 12. 5 banja 5, and after that this will give us a 10. So 5 to the 10. So our z equals to 12. Okay. Now value of our z is what? Value of our z is 12. Okay. So in our question number first, Rx is 3 by 2. In our question number second, Rx is 35 upon 33. In our question number third, our z is 12. Okay. Now in our question number fourth, we will cross multiply. Then what we will get is 5 multiplied with 3y plus 4. 5 multiplied with 3y plus 4. This is equals to minus 2 multiplied with 2 minus 6y, which is equals to 5 multiplied with 3y, again 5 multiplied with 4. Now minus 2 multiplied with 2 and minus 2 multiplied with minus 6y. So 5 multiplied with 3 is 15y. Okay. Again 5 multiplied with 4 is 20, and minus 2 multiplied with 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 multiplied with minus 6 is minus 2 into minus 6y. Okay. Now this is 15y plus ka 20. This is equals to minus 4, and this is minus plus 12y. Now what we will get is, this is 15y, this is 12y. 15y minus 12y equals to minus 4, this is 20, minus 4, this is minus 20. Okay. So now here we are getting 3y, this is equals to minus 24. Now our y is what? Now our y equals to, this is our minus 24 and divided by what? 3. So this is 3 8 is 24. Now our y is minus 8. Our y is minus 8. Okay. So here these are solutions of our 4 sums. I am just going to repeat them. Okay. Our first question was 8x minus 3 upon 3x, which is equals to 8x minus 3 upon 3x equals to 2 upon 1. When we will cross multiply, then what we will get is 8x minus 3 into 1 equals to 2x into 3x into 2. This is equals to 8x minus 3 equals to 6x. Now 8x minus 6x equals to 3, hence 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3 upon 2. Value of our x is what? Value of our x is 3 upon 2. Okay. Next one is question number second, which is, in our question number second, we are given 9x upon 7 minus 6x equals to 15 upon 1. We will cross multiply, then what we will get is 9x into 1 is 9x equals to 15 multiplied with 7 minus 6x. Okay, this is 9x, 15 7 is 105 minus 15 6 is 90x. This is 9x plus 90x, which is equals to 105. Okay, so 99x equals to 105, x equals to 105 upon 99. We will divide our 99 and 105 by 3. So what we'll get is 33 and this is 35. So our x equals to 35 upon 33. Okay. Now question number 3 is what? Z upon z plus 15 equals to 4 upon 9. When we will cross multiply, then what we will get is 9 is multiplied with z is 9z, 4 is multiplied with z plus 15. So 4 is multiplied with z plus 15. So here this is 9z now, which is equals to 4z plus 15, 4 is 60. Okay. So this is equals to 9z minus 4z equals to 60. 9z minus 4z is 5z, 5z equals to 60, z equals to 60 upon 5. When we will divide 60 by 5, we will get 12. Our z is 12. Okay. Now next one will be our question number 5th. I'll just solve it after rubbing for free up some space. Okay. This was our question number 5th, which is 7y plus 4 upon 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2, y plus 2. This is equals to minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so we will cross multiply. Now what we will get is 7y plus 4 multiplied with 3, 3 multiplied with 7y plus 4 equals to minus 4 multiplied with y plus 2, y plus 2. Okay. Now we will multiply 3 multiplied with 7 and 3 multiplied with 4. Here 4 multiplied with y, 4 multiplied with minus 4 multiplied with 2. So 3 multiplied with 7, 3 7s are 21. This is equals to 21y plus 3 multiplied with 4. This is equals to 3 4s are 12 equals to 4 minus 4 multiplied with y. This is equals to minus 4y, minus 4 multiplied with 2, minus minus plus minus, minus plus minus, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now this is 21 by, this is minus 4y. When we will transfer it in another side, then what we will get is plus. I have already told you about the rules of transfer. When we will transfer a positive sign to another sign, then we will get negative sign. When we will transfer negative sign to another side, we will get a positive sign. When we will transfer a divide to another side, we will get a multiply. When we will transfer multiply to another side, we will get a divide. Okay, fine. Next, now 21y plus 4y, this is equals to minus 8. This is plus 12. When we will transfer it, this is minus 12. Okay, 21y plus 4y is 25y, which is equals to minus 20. 25 by 21y plus 4y is 25 by 25 by equals to 12 plus 8 is 20, minus 20. Okay, hence y equals to minus 20 upon 25. Now we will divide by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So our y equals to minus 4 upon 5. Our y equals to minus 4 upon 5. Our y equals to minus 4 upon 5. This was our question number 5th, and here is its solution. Okay. Now let us move towards our question number 6th. our question number 6 is what? The age of Hari and Harry. The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio the age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of 4 years from now the ratio 4 years from now the ratio 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Okay. The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Question is what? The age of Hari and Harry. The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Present ages find out करनी है ना. Find their present ages. जो present ages हैं उनकी वो find out हमारे को करनी है. ठीक, तो अपन देखते हैं फिर कि Hari and Harry, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. See, actually जब भी कभी एजेस रेशो में दी गई होती हैं, है ना, एक पर्टिकुलर रेशो दिया गया होता है. ये जो सिंबल है इसको रेशो बोलते हैं. आपने पढ़ा होगा ये रेशियो, है ना. इसका मतलब डिवाइड भी होता है. इसी का मतलब डिवाइड होता है ना. तो ये जो लिखा है ना 5:7, इसको अपन 5/7 भी बोल सकते हैं. लिखा है ना 5:7, इसको अपन बोल सकते हैं 5/7. ठीक, तो नाउ वी विल सी the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Present ages कितनी होंगी वो हमारे को फाइंड आउट करना है. Find their present ages. So 4 years from now. Now first we will try to solve our step number first, which is the age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 4 years from now. अभी से 4 साल बाद, है ना, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. उनकी एजिज का जो रेशियो होगा वो क्या बनेगा आपका 3:4, 3:4 बनेगा उनकी एजिज का रेशियो, ठीक। तो नाउ वी विल कंसिडर लेट, और फर्स्ट वी विल राइट गिवन रेशियो ऑफ एजेज ऑफ हरी एंड हैरी, रेशियो ऑफ एजेज ऑफ हरी एंड हैरी, हरी एंड हैरी, हरी एंड हैरी equals to 5:7, 5:7. Okay, hence let age of Hari is 5x and Harry is 7x. let, जब भी हमें रेशियो अलग करना हो ना तो किसी एक अननोन क्वांटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, रेशियो अलग हो जाता है। जैसे यहाँ 5:7 है तो अननोन क्वांटिटी x हो जाएगी, a हो जाएगी, b हो जाएगी, है ना, कुछ भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं। मैं यहाँ पे x लेके चल रहा हूँ, ठीक। लेट हरीज एज, लेट हरीज एज इक्वल्स टू 5x एंड हैरीज एज, एंड हैरीज एज, and Harry's age equals to 7x. This is 5x, this is 7x. Okay, now what we will see is this is our 5x and this is our 7x. Okay, so let Harry's age is 5x and Harry's age is 7x. Harry's age is 5x and Harry's age is 7x. Now what we will do is we will take ages 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 4 years from now, अब से 4 साल बाद, है ना, उनकी एजेज का रेशियो ये हो जाएगा। तो इसमें 4 ऐड हो जाएंगे ना, तभी तो होगा। प्रेजेंट एज है ना ये, ठीक है, लिखा ना रेशियो ऑफ हरीज एज इज ये, तो ये प्रेजेंट एजेज है इनकी। और 4 साल के बाद एज क्या होगी, अगर मैं आज की डेट में सपोज 20 का हूँ तो 4 साल के बाद 24 का हो जाऊँगा। आप लोग अगर बाई चांस आज की डेट में सपोज 11-12 साल के होते हो, 12 साल के होते हो, 4 साल के बाद 16 ईयर्स के हो जाओगे। 12 + 4 is 16. ओके, सो हियर what I am going to do is after 4 years, after 4 years Hari's age, after 4 years Hari's age, Hari's age equals to 5x plus 4 and Harry's age equals to, Harry's age is 5x plus 4 and Harry's age, and Harry's age equals to 7x plus 4, 5x plus 4 and 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 7x plus 4. Okay, this is what 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4, 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Okay, this is these two, 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4, 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Okay, now what we'll do is after 4 years, after 4 years we will get this data, and now ratio is 3/4. Ratio of these two is 3/4. According to our question, ratio of these two is 3/4. So according to problem ATP, according to problem, what ratio of these two is 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4, 7x plus 4 equals to 3 by 4. After cross multiplying we will get 4 multiplied with 5x plus 4 equals to 3 multiplied with 7x plus 4. Here 4 is multiplied with 5 and 4 is multiplied with 4. 3 is multiplied with 7, 3 is multiplied with 4. 4 is multiplied with 5. 4 5s are 20. This is 20x plus 4 is multiplied with 4. 4 4 is 16 equals to 3 is multiplied with 7. This is 21x plus 3 is multiplied with 4. This is 12. Okay. This is 20x minus 21x, which is equals to 12 minus 16. This is minus x equals to minus 4 and hence our x equals to 4. माइनस माइनस एक दूसरे से कट आउट हो गए और वैल्यू आ गई x की 4. हैंस नाउ आवर आंसर विल बी हरीज एज विल बी व्हाट. हरीज एज इज, नाउ हियर आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू राइट आवर आंसर ओवर हियर इन दिस स्पेस. Hari's age equals to 5 into 4, which is equals to 20, and Harry's age equals to 7 into 4 equals to 28. This is equals to 20 and this is equals to 28. This is equals to 20 and that's equals to 28. This is Hari's age is 20 and Harry's age is 28. Hari's age is 20, Harry's age is 28. Okay. Now I will do our next question in our next video. Our next question will be done in our next video. Okay kids, till then bye bye, take care, God bless you and stay home.